case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
This case revolves around an incident where a healthcare provider allegedly did not fully disclose potential complications associated with a prescribed medical procedure. The negligence came to light when the patient experienced these undisclosed risks and lodged a complaint. A trial was held and the court favored the provider, maintaining that expert medical testimony upheld his case. The narrative took an unexpected twist when the patient appealed. The patient's contention was that securing an expert medical witness was not requisite to establish the absence of informed consent. In a surprising move, the Court of Appeals concurred with the patient's argument. It held that whether the risk was significant enough to warrant disclosure was indeed a factual issue that didn't necessarily demand an expert viewpoint. The plot thickened when the case went to the Supreme Court for ultimate resolution. The labyrinth of legal arguments revolved around the need for expert medical testimony. Traditionally, practitioners are mandated to provide care akin to that offered by other physicians attending similar ailments in their localities. Informed consent cases have seen exceptions to this rule where the duty of the healthcare provider to disclose medical details does not necessitate expert testimony. In this case, the Supreme Court upheld the requirement for expert opinion. The specifics of the supposed negligence, the risk of the cervix adhering to the vaginal wall, were deemed too complex to be understood without medical insight. Hence, the court declared that in the absence of contradictory expert testimony, summary judgment favoring the healthcare provider, Dr. Mernitz, was appropriate. The Supreme Court's ruling affirmed the initial trial court's ruling and dismissed the patient's appeal. This decision was handed down with Chief Justice Shepard and Justice Given in agreement, Justice Dixon dissenting, and Justice DeBruler aligning with the dissent.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.